The weekly code quiz. Let's review lossless versus lossy audio file formats. What does lossy compression mean? Lossy compression formats degrade in quality with editing. Lossy formats are smaller in size. Lossy compression formats are appropriate when you don't need perfect audio quality, plan on sharing via the web, or need to conserve space on your storage device. Over the years, the quality of lossy compression has improved such that most people can't tell the difference. What is the most common audio file that is also a lossy compression format? .mp3. Why is .mp3 so commonly used? Because it can be encoded at a constant or variable bitrate. A constant bitrate will ensure quality throughout, while a variable bitrate will save on size when there are quiet or silent moments in the audio. What makes the lossy format .aac superior to .mp3? An original .aac file is of much better quality than other formats. Similar to .mp3, it can be recorded at a constant or variable bitrate. .aac is also open source and does not have the royalty fees associated with .mp3. You see .aac files with iTunes and gaming devices. What makes the lossy format .oga less popular than .mp3? The main problem for .oga is that it is not as compatible with other programs, so it limits its use. This is unfortunate because .oga files are open source, like the .ogg video format. A variable bitrate helps with file size, and its sound quality remains high, sometimes superior to .mp3. Moving on to lossless compression formats, it is important to understand that you will probably not use these for the web because of their size, but it is still good to know what you may use them for. What is a lossless format commonly associated with Apple? .m4a equivalent to .mpeg4 video. It has decent quality with smaller file size. What lossless format is open source with a smaller file size, popular with audiophiles to store music in a high quality format? .flac or free lossless audio codec. Its efficient compression algorithm can reduce file size 50 to 70% from the original. The open source format makes it compatible with many devices and programs. What uncompressed audio format is used for CDs and DVDs? .pcm, aka pulse code modulation. What uncompressed audio format is used as a wrapper for .pcm to make it more compatible with Windows computers? .wav stands for WAVEFORM audio file format. What uncompressed audio format is used as a wrapper for .pcm to make it more compatible with Apple computers? .aiff, aka audio interchange file format. Choose the right audio format depending on what you're planning to do with your audio. You want a format that has the quality you require but nothing extra, because this will increase file size and make your file difficult to manage, share, and convert. Audio professionals will want to use uncompressed formats that will maintain audio quality no matter how many times you edit and save the file. Export a compressed format that may be lossy for distribution, but retain your original uncompressed file. Audiophiles will want to maintain their collections in a lossless format that uses less space than uncompressed formats, but still maintains the quality of the original recording. Presented by Designers Learn Code.